Maabitha a borithi ni mambikite uthuthuria wa giko kia hwai wa ira kiria kiratigire Muhuri Biacara umwe kuuma kaunti-ini ya Embu akihonia nguraro njuru cia rithathi thutha wa gutharikirwo ni andu matari maramenyekana. Agikira ndeto eno mukonde kamanda wa borithi sub kaunti-ini ya Embu ya ithwiro Julius Chumbule augite Muhuri Biacara uyu ararathirwo maita mana na gutigwo na nguraro njuru cia kanua na mutwe.
Around 9 p.m. in the evening, we had a shootout in a place called Mari. We had a personal car with two occupants, one being the victim who was shot.
Kurerikana aria maratafanirie tharikire no marari na ngari muthemba wa double cabin ya rangi wa fururu kuria mararathire Muhuri Biacara Joyfrey Mwangi na gucoka gwithara kundu gutoikaine.
The owner of the personal car, which was attacked by a pickup that was just following them from behind, and they shot from the driver's window.
Kuringana na aria mareyoneire tharikire no Mwangi arakoretwo akiruga mituro ya kunyihia thibidi barabara-ini ya Dumari iria ri tauni-ini ya Embu riria aracokire gutharikirwo na rithathi ona gutuika mundurume uria arakuite ngari-ini yake ndanagia na nguraro o yothe.
The nape of the neck, as well as he was also shot through the mouth from the right part of the mouth, and the bullets exited on the left side of the mouth. He had some injuries on his fingers, the left hand fingers, in his palm.
Thutha Mwangi ni araguthukirio thibitari-ini wa Embu level 5 ni mundurume uria arakuite ngari-ini yake na thutha ucio guthamirio thibitari-ini umwe kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani.
Our officers who are on patrols responded immediately, and they went to the scene and found that in fact the members of the public had already ferried the victim to the hospital.
Chumbule ni ugite maabitha borithi ni mambiriirie uthuthuria wao wigie tharikire no na kiria kingikorwo kiracungiriirie Mwangi gutharikirwo.
I'm sure within short duration we are going to get our facts about the whole incident.